Now you're ready to get started with PowerScore Comply. To use PowerScore Comply, visit cannabispowscore.org and select Report to My Government, or go straight to the dedicated Massachusetts page, cannabispowscore.org/MA. Choose Comply, fill out the one-page survey, and choose to create an account to save your progress and come back later if you'd like. Some key definitions to consider when filling out the Comply survey are: last reporting month. This is the last full month for which you have complete energy, water, and production information that you can report. Net electricity consumption. If you produce renewable electricity on site, you may report your consumption from the grid as a net value. Just make sure to check this box on the survey. Dry flower weight. This is the annual total of cannabis flower that you produce, including trim, but not waste like stems and branches. Wet flower weight. The annual total of cannabis flower produced, but not dried. This is converted to dry flower weight by assuming dry flower is 20% of original wet flower weight. And fresh frozen weight, the annual total of cannabis flower produced and fresh frozen using the same wet to dry conversion factor. Once you fill out the one-page survey, which I will demo in a few more notes, click the Make My PDF button to get an energy and water report that will look similar to the example on this slide. Your report contains summary level information at the top about production, energy use and demand, and energy sources. The energy and production totals use the information entered in the survey, so make sure to review your self-reported values here. The tables below show monthly breakdowns using the info entered in the survey, so make sure to check your self-reported monthly totals here as well. Once you're done double-checking your reported information, click the Make My PDF button and submit to the Cannabis Control Commission along with your other license renewal paperwork. At this point, you will also get a chance to continue on to Comply and Benchmark to compare your facility to your peers and get your KPIs and ranking. Reminder, you must submit the PDF report yourself to the Cannabis Control Commission, as RII does not give your report to the CCC. At this point, I'm going to now give a PowerScore Comply demonstration. Do you need help? RII is here to serve you. Visit us at cannabispowscore.org/contact, call or email Derek or me at any time, and know that we have open office hours just for Massachusetts, Monday through Friday, 3 to 4 p.m. If you need help, we are going to prioritize your questions. We strive to answer your questions on the same day and will respond to emails within 1 business day. We're here to help you troubleshoot and understand and get the most out of PowerScore. Consider joining RII to unlock further knowledge and enhance your professional network. Join to gain opportunities to share and grow your best practices, access our network of experts, become a part of a community of thought leaders, and get recognized for your high-performance operations. Visit resourceinnovation.org/join with us to learn more about our levels of membership and the benefits you can receive by joining RII as a member. We hope you are now empowered for more cultivation efficiency. Thank you for watching this tutorial for Cannabis PowerScore, a tool provided by Resource Innovation Institute.